Yeah! You're watching Ride Comparisons and we're here today at our favourite theme park. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Europa Park in Germany, guys, is absolutely fantastic. World-class theming, great coasters, so much to do. It is awesome.
World-class operations.
World-class operations too, as Jacob says. We got Voltron opening tomorrow. We got to go check it out today. We got some attractions that we haven't actually been on before and a few park updates. So let's go to Europa Park. Move over Disneyland, this is where it's at. So as you can see, guys, the entrance has changed. They brought the turnstiles back a little bit to allow more people to get into the park and avoid the giant queues on entry. And you've also got a new big telly over there. It's got Voltron POV at the moment. I can't believe we're back here again so soon. It's so cool, isn't it, Jacob?
Yeah.
So if you want to see a full park video with basically all of the attractions and a lot of information if you've never been to Europa Park before, you might want to check out our last video. Today's going to be updates, stuff we've never done before, and obviously we're going to check out Voltron. Oh, Sky's happy, one of her favourite roller coasters, the Can coaster. Oh, I think me and Jacob are going to start the day with Silver Star. Looks like a long queue, guys, but it's only 20 minutes on there, and with Europa Park operations, I can guarantee you that's correct. Oh my god. I gotta love Silver Star. What do you think?
I like that.
It is really good, guys. It does have a bit of a rattle, and that's why we don't rate it like one of the top of the hypercoaster list, do we?
Yeah, it's a bit rough at the bottom of the drop.
That being said though, guys, it is very good. Now I just want to point out whilst we're here, we've got the new Coastiality experience. It's now been changed from Valerian to Phantom of the Opera. It's one of the best VR roller coaster experiences we've ever done, but it does cause motion sickness and it has got a surcharge. So I'm not too sure if we'll do it. We got 2 days, but we'll have to wait and see. Also to mention, guys, when you're exiting Silver Star, you used to be able to come through here, here and over there, but it's all been blocked off now. They got like a little coffee shop there. I just thought I'd point that one out. So last time we were here, guys, the track was actually completed for Voltron. We got a good view of it from Euromere, didn't we? It was really cool. But it's now been completed, all the theming's completed as well, so we're about to get our first look at the new Beyond Vertical Launch Coaster for 2024, Voltron. Here we go, guys, our first look at the new Croatian themed area. They got some fences up at the moment, but let's go have a little peek. Oh, it's looking cool in here. Tomorrow is going to be carnage. They recently held a staff day where Voltron opened for all of the staff members for Europa Park, and if you've seen the video on TikTok, everyone was just squashed together. Just trying to sneak a peek through the window at all the merch. You probably won't be able to see it on the GoPro. I'll give it a go. But either way, guys, you've got some Voltron pillows there with the logo on there, and we've got some t-shirts here. They look like they're about 30 euros, so we're going to be out of pocket tomorrow. Oh, bring on tomorrow. It's going to be so fun. They were just advertising a second, guys, that the 4D cinema at Europa Park's actually playing the Voltron film, which is the one that inspired this roller coaster. Heading into Russia now for a ride on Euromere. Probably the best view of Voltron in the park, and one of the best theme park soundtracks for a roller coaster that we've had so far. Go get ready. Dun, 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 dun. Before we go on Euromere, guys, check it out. It's a view by the fence here. You can see they're getting ready for tomorrow for the opening day. As it stands, the Ride to Happiness in Plopsaland, Belgium is our #1 roller coaster, and this really could be a contender to beat it. Oh, here we go. Oh, Euromir, I don't want this view, I want to see Voltron. What's going on? There we go, guys. Oh, wow, look at it. It's huge.
Yeah. I can. Valhalla.
Amazing thing about Europa Park, guys, we find stuff that we still haven't done before. So, I'm not sure what this is, but let's give it a go. We've been to Rolantica now, we know who Snorri is. I have no idea how we've missed that one all the times we've been here. It's really good, isn't it?
I like that.
Really good.
I actually think Europa Park has more dark rides than Efteling, which I did not know.
Loads of filler rides.
There's loads, isn't there? So much to do. Oh, it is now time for our favourite wooden coaster with pacing that can match Zadra. Oh, Woden is an absolute abomination, guys. Here it goes, a coaster that just does not stop. Woden is still #1 Woody, isn't it? It's so good. So it's time for a ride on Blue Fire. Oh, Blue Fire is riding fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was really good. So we're looking for an attraction that we've never been on before. It's called Arthur. We had a lot of comments on YouTube and TikTok saying, "Where have you been on this attraction? Why don't you mention it?" So we got to try and find it. Oh, so we've never actually been on the log flume before. Apparently it was open. It was partially destroyed with the fire, along with the Mac Power coaster, the little train ride. They sort of shared a bit that was on fire, and they've both been retracked apparently, but it's still closed. We've never done it before. I guess we're not doing that today then. That's a shame. Yeah, still renovations there, unfortunately, guys, but it does look like the Alpine Express is open. No, it's closed as well, unfortunately. We've not been in this part of the park before, and it's got to be the Dutch part. I feel like I'm at the Efteling. How did we miss a whole area and a whole coaster? Right, so this is Arthur, guys. Let's go and see what the fuss is about. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Wow!
Smells so good.
Seid ihr bereit für das große Abenteuer?
amount of times we've been to Europa Park and we've never seen that. What? That was really cool. What do you think?
I loved it.
I can see why you guys mentioned it in the comments because we've missed it so many times. We've been.
I was smiling and laughing the whole time. It was incredible.
There's a little Snoop Dogg bit halfway through as well, which was a bit random, took us off guard.
That was awesome.
Awesome. Onboard audio, smells, vibrating seats, smoke, amazing theming. I think that beats anything that's at Efteling.
Oh my god.
Mac, I think is it Mac Rides?
Yeah, that was Mac.
Mac Rides lap bars on an inverted coaster. It's really good. That is
My
really
God.
good. Probably the best dark ride we've done.
Yeah.
This is just a day of new attractions. Absolutely no idea what this is, but let's give it a go. Okay, we could have probably gone with missing that one. That was a bit strange, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Little 4D cinema with like a little pre-show. Are you feeling the magical power? We got Poseidon water coaster here in the Greek themed area. Really good theming this coaster, but it is very rough. We almost forgot about it. It's time for the Can coaster. Another dark ride we haven't done in the Italian area. Jacob's definitely hungry now. Oh, that's creepy. €48. Jacob's happy. So me and Jacob are just sitting here looking out the window, and it just feels like we're in Italy. Just the level of immersion and theming here is crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. Oh, just a tip of the world's first Beyond vertical launch popping up over there. So we've got a Schweizer Boban here, guys. It's a bobsled coaster. We don't actually go on it because it's the worst one we've been on, isn't it? It's really tame, not too great. Oh, we've had lots of re-rides, guys. It's actually surprisingly dead. I think everyone's waiting for tomorrow when Voltron opens. So we're just heading back to Arthur now because it was amazing. Hey, we got Europa Park's mascot. I think it's called Ed already. Voltron Nevera warm-up. So it looks like for pass holders, they were going to do an event today where all of the pass holders can have a look at Voltron and the Croatian themed area, but it has been cancelled, which is what this announcement is right here. So I really hope they don't cancel the opening day tomorrow, or that would just be devastating, wouldn't it? So Voltron is currently stuck on the mid-course, guys, and it's also stuck on the one of the launches, isn't it? So yeah, as I say, this event has been cancelled. They got a crane up as well, doing something to the track over there. I really hope they don't cancel tomorrow. Oh my god, that will be heartbreaking. Lots of angry people in this area. Also want to mention, guys, me and Jacob were just looking at Voltron and we noticed that for a brand new coaster, there's a lot of areas where the paint is just completely scratched off already, isn't there?
Yeah, it must be high G's.
So the place where the most of the paint has been scraped off is the launch into the stall. So I reckon that's going to be a very dangerous, intense element of this ride, isn't it? Another attraction that we haven't done before. Oh, that was pretty cool, that little shooting dark ride, wasn't it? Yeah. I got 54,000 if anyone can beat me with that. We're going to give Poseidon a go. We weren't going to do it, but we might as well. So we were just walking to the Matterhorn Blitz in front of us, guys, and we thought we'd pop in here because we'd never seen it before. Just check out this theming. I love Europa Park. We've been to Switzerland, and you know, it really makes you feel like you're here. And then we just walked out here. There's Jacob. And look, just check it out, guys. It's like we're in Zermatt. About to go and look at the Matterhorn, which we pretty much are. Matterhorn Blitz. You got the Lindt shop here. Legit, man. This really feels like I love this theme park. see if we can end the day with a ride on our favourite flying theatre so far. So that brings our day at Europa Park to an end. What do you reckon?
Oh, that was such a good day.
It's always emotional leaving.
I love this park.
It is the best we've done so far, guys. I don't know if it's the best in the world, but we know
I think so.
we know for a fact it's definitely the best in Europe. A lot of people who aren't that into the theme parks will always go to Disneyland, spend so much money when you can come here for cheaper.
Disney.
It's cheaper and it's way better, isn't it? It really is a brilliant theme park.
Better rides as well.
So, updates, guys. We've got the train ride, the Alpine Express, I think it's called, had its premiere event today, so a lot of the staff were able to ride it. So that'll be opening again soon, along with the log flume. They've both been retracked because there was a fire, unfortunately. The pass holders event today for Voltron was cancelled, unfortunately, because it got stuck. They're working on getting the train, well, one of the Voltron trains, because about 3 of them on the track at the moment. They're working on getting one off with the crane by the looks of it, aren't they? But we did meet a fan today, so shout out to Heli Spotter. He said that the Mac man, the main man, said that it's going to be opening tomorrow no matter what. So if you are coming, don't be too worried. Another thing I want to mention, guys, is in the UK, we kept going on about Fort Park's Project Sparkle and all of the touch-ups they've done in the theme park. There has been so much of that around Europa Park today, hasn't there? There was a lot of add-ons and more lighting inside the Can coaster. Poseidon looks like it's had a retrack. I'm not too sure.
Oh, it was riding really well.
Jacob said it was right. We weren't going to go on it because it's usually rough, but today it was actually very good. So I don't know if it's had a retrack, a jet wash, or a repaint, but it was looking fresh, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
And there was so much of that around the park. I can't name it all, unfortunately, because there was loads, wasn't there? But anyway, guys, best theme park. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really does help us out. Bring on tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.